For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. The fiber optic business is at the heart of modern connectivity, offering high-speed data transmission to homes, businesses, and infrastructure projects. As demand for faster internet and reliable networks grows, starting a fiber optic business becomes a potentially lucrative venture. Thanks to the power of free AI tools, many foundational tasks such as planning, analysis, and marketing can now be done efficiently and at minimal cost. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to start a fiber optic business using free AI tools. Step 1. Research the fiber optic market. Begin by gaining a deep understanding of the fiber optic industry, including trends, demand, competitors, and customer needs in your target area. Use free AI research tools such as ChatGPT, Perplexity.ai, or Google Bar to compile detailed market information. These tools can synthesize recent data and summarize trends from articles and reports. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Act as a market analyst and summarize current trends, challenges, and opportunities in the fiber optic cable installation industry in the U.S. for 2025. Use this insight to determine what segment of the market you'll focus on: fiber cable installation, maintenance, retailing fiber optic equipment, or offering consulting services. Step 2. Define your business model. Decide the scope of your services. Will you provide fiber optic installation for residential customers? Focus on B2B infrastructure projects? Sell components such as fiber cables and connectors? Use Notion AI or ChatGPT to brainstorm and structure your business model. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Generate a business model canvas for a startup fiber optic cable installation business serving commercial clients in urban areas. Free tools like Canva's whiteboard templates or Miro's starter canvases can help you visualize and refine your business model. Step 3. Create a business plan using AI. Drafting a business plan is crucial for clarity and attracting partners or funding. ChatGPT can be used to structure your business plan by providing professional outlines and full content. Prompt suggestion. Write a detailed business plan for a fiber optic installation and maintenance company, including executive summary, services offered, target market, SWOT analysis, and financial projections. For better formatting and collaboration, paste the content into Google Docs or Notion for editing, storage, and sharing. Step 4. Understand legal requirements and licensing. Research the necessary certifications and permits required in your region. Fiber optic businesses often require contractor licenses, FCC registrations for telecom involvement, and occupational safety training. Use AI to streamline this research. Prompt suggestion. List all licenses, permits, and certifications required to legally operate a fiber optic cable installation business in Florida. You can also ask AI to summarize OSHA guidelines and safety protocols relevant to fiber optic technicians. Step 5. Identify suppliers and equipment using AI search. A fiber optic business requires tools like fusion splicers, OTDRs, connectors, and fiber optic cables. Use AI-enhanced product discovery tools like ChatGPT or Google Lens to compare vendors. Prompt suggestion. Compare reliable and affordable suppliers of fiber optic tools and materials for small businesses, including expected costs and delivery options. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you draft supplier outreach emails or request for quote templates. Step 6. Use AI to find subcontractors or technicians. If you don't plan to do the installations yourself, find trained subcontractors or fiber optic technicians. Free AI tools like ChatGPT or Copy.ai can help create job descriptions, hiring ads, or even outreach emails for skilled tradespeople. Prompt suggestion. Write a job description for a certified fiber optic technician, including skills, responsibilities, and required experience. You can post these job listings on platforms like Indeed, Craigslist, or local trade schools. Step 7. Use AI to develop a brand identity. Create a strong brand using free AI-powered design tools. Use Loca or Namecheap's AI business name generators to generate name ideas. Canva's free AI-powered logo creator can help you design a professional logo. ChatGPT can help write your mission, tagline, and company description. Prompt suggestion. Create 5 unique name ideas and matching taglines for a fiber optic installation company targeting mid-sized businesses. Once chosen, register your domain name and create consistent branding across your materials. Step 8. Build a website and online presence using free tools. Establish a basic website using platforms like Wix or WordPress with free templates. Use AI to generate all written content, from the homepage to FAQs. Prompt suggestion. Write a homepage introduction, service descriptions, and FAQ section for a website offering fiber optic installation and consulting services. You can use ChatGPT to generate content, Canva to design graphics, and HubSpot's free CRM to manage lead from your site. Step 9. Develop a marketing plan with AI. Create a marketing strategy using AI tools. Start with a digital marketing plan focused on SEO, social media, and local outreach. Tools like ChatGPT or Simplified's AI Writer can help draft blog posts, add copy, email newsletters, and social posts. Prompt suggestion. Create a complete marketing plan for a fiber optic cable business targeting commercial building developers in South Florida. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate outreach email templates for contacting construction firms, real estate developers, or local government contractors. Step 10. Use AI for pricing strategy and financial forecasts. Price your services competitively using AI-generated market comparisons and financial modeling. ChatGPT or Excel's AI features can help you build simple pricing models, estimate operational costs, and project profit margins. Prompt suggestion. Estimate the startup costs, monthly operating costs, and potential profit margin for a fiber optic cable installation business with one crew and a service van. Use the information to prepare financial forecasts to help with decision-making or funding pitches. Step 11. Automate customer service and operations. Once operational, leverage free AI to handle common customer interactions. Use tools like Tidio, free chatbot, or Google Dialogflow to create automated support chatbots. ChatGPT can help you draft service scripts and FAQ responses. Prompt suggestion. Create a chatbot script for a fiber optic installation business, answering common questions like pricing, availability, and installation process. You can also use free AI tools like Trello or ClickUp to manage projects, track installations, and assign tasks to team members. Step 12. Learn and adapt continuously using AI tools. Stay informed and continuously improve using AI-powered alerts and news summaries. Set up Google Alerts for fiber optic news and use ChatGPT weekly to summarize key updates in your field. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.